Rhino. This is a 450. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta remove the seats. I've already removed the one over on the other side in order to get this console removed and then get to where the spark plugs are at. So there's a lever right here. You just can lift it up and the seat will just pull out. As you can see, it's pretty easy. With the driver's seat removed, you're gonna do the same thing with the other one. It's got the same latch on the other side. Let me get this seat out. I've now removed both seats. Next thing you're gonna do, it's kind of hard to get these out, so you can push these down. They're just rubber seals in order to get this console out. So push this down, push that down, and then it's not connected to anything on either side, so it'll just wiggle out. So you can see I've pulled it up over here, pull it up, and just give it some wiggles. And then there's your console. Take it out, put it aside. What you're gonna do is there's clamps right here. There's 5 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one is right here. So you're gonna undo all 5 of those and then just wiggle this a little bit and it will come off. And then there you go, there's your air filter. So what you can do is you can just take and you can pull this out. So it kind of just sits in there, you pull it, and then you just lift up from the front, and you can check it out. You can see mine's got a little, must have flooded at some point. I just barely bought this from somebody else. And there's the hole to your carburetor. If you have any questions, let me know.